We guide you through how to import bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. So the first thing you need to do is to sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to Transactions. Then select Bank Transactions. Click the Link Account button if your bank isn't connected yet, or choose the bank account you want to update. If you are importing a file manually, click the drop down next to Link Account and select Upload from File. Choose your CSV, UBO, OFX, or supported bank file from your computer, then click Continue. Select the QuickBooks bank account where you want to import the transactions and map the columns correctly if you're using a CSV file. Review the date, description, and amount fields to make sure everything matches. Then click Continue and Yes to confirm the imports. Once the upload is complete, go to the For Review tab to check each transaction. From there, you can categorize, match, or exclude transactions before adding them to your books. Reviewing your imported transactions carefully help keep your financial records accurate and prevents duplicate entries.